humans have got a nervous system that is extremely sensitive to the environment. Now, if you've gone through a lot of traumas in your life, chances are you have a traumatized nervous system that's been moved away from a state of homeostasis. It's a distressed nervous system. So what we need to do is to focus on the body first. The body has its own memory. If we can restore the body into a state of safety through body-oriented therapies like exercise, like yoga, like massage, very powerful, like acupuncture, and a whole bunch of other body-oriented therapies that do not directly deal with your repressed emotions yet you can restore the nervous system back to order, a state of safety that will be so resilient that it's already moving through the traumatic energies that even when it's time for you to talk about your trauma, you are not re-traumatized.